Hey, good day. Super excited. How are you doing? You're welcome to Mayowa Owolabi TV. This is your first time. You want to make sure you click on the subscriber button and also on the notification bell. And make sure you like this video because this will help you. Okay, this episode is on Forex trading analysis, and you want to make sure you watch till the end so that you will be able to gain the exact value that this video is created for. Now, Mr. Mayowa, what are you talking about? Now, a friend of ours and a YouTube community member sent this to me, commented, and I decided to do a video on it. And this is a guy from India. He said, "Hey, brother, this is Sonny from India. Can you tell me now what is going on in CHFJPY? Because now it's around 140, 200, and you say about sell. You are saying about sell 3 weeks ago, okay? So I said I was going to do a video to help this my brother out, okay? So let's get to the board and see what we're talking about. I'm going to be clearing my screen right now. And I'm going to be going to monthly time frame. Okay. Now, whenever the chart is in this format, you will agree with me that the market has been creating a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, and another higher low here. However, here there was another higher low here. So this market created an impulse that cleared off this zone. Okay, it cleared off this zone. Now, for it to have cleared off this zone, this impulse becomes more valuable. So that is one of the major reasons why I said we are going to be looking for a sell in this zone. Now, another thing you must consider is that this sell is a reversal. It is not a trend continuation. Now, if it is a trend continuation, you want to see a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, and you keep selling. Lower high, you sell. Lower high, you sell. Whenever it is creating a higher low and the market breaks this, then this becomes a reversal. So this is a reversal. And this reversal here requires a confirmation. And you will agree with me that if you go to daily time frames, the market gave us that confirmation here. And you can see that the market created the impulse move, higher low, higher high, higher low, then higher high. Then look at what the market did. The market dropped. Remember, when it dropped here and broke this structure, it means that we are going to be selling here. And we sold like we sold. When we sold here, I told you guys when you guys were to sell, we sold here and it gave 700 pips. And that gave us, that's 714. So that gave us close to about 1 to 60, 1 to 70. Okay, more than 1 to 70. Okay, because we went in on about 8 pips stop loss. So 1 to 700, perfect. However, when this move started, we expected an impulse, remember, that broke this structure. It created the next one that broke this break of structure. Now, we expected the market to give us continuation down. So when it got into this place, there was no confirmation on 1 hour for us to sell. And because there's no confirmation here, that means we cannot sell. So when the market got into this place, it pushed up because JPY was extremely weak. And because of that, you can see that the sell that we have mapped out has been what? Has been destroyed with this impulse move. So this becomes a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high. Makes sense? So right now we can't sell again. because the move have now changed into trend continuation. So this is the trend continuation right now. So my brother, we have to wait for the market to retrace back into this low. So we now have a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high. And we're waiting for the market to retrace back here for us to what? To buy. So when it comes here, we'll look for our 30 minutes or 1 hour time frame entry. Then from there to 15 minutes, then we can now reduce our entry to buy. So this is the trend right now. It's not a trend continuation. Okay, so no more sell, my brother, no more sell. So if we want to now look for sell, we want to see the market get here, break this low. When it breaks this low, then the market is getting an approval for us to come back here, look for sell when the market drops. But in as much that this place, the buy keeps coming up and we have a confirmation here, we're going to buy and we're going to keep going on. Okay, so this is why you must understand that trading is not what you want, but what the market gives. What I want is that I want to sell, and the market gives us that sell in this place. But what happened is that there is no continuation of sell. The market broke all the engagement rule here, and now what it has changed back to is buy. So we'll look for buy opportunity and we are good to go. And for us to sell, we need to see this move, break this low, okay, and retrace down back. Okay, then we are waiting. We have to be patient. We have to be patient for the market to what? To come back into this place. We'll look for the buy, then we go up. Then we keep looking for buy. But for us to sell, it must then break this, come back here, then we'll look for it. I hope this helps someone. Okay, don't forget to click on the subscriber button and also on the notification bell, because you don't want to miss this at all when the market is giving us what we want. I look forward to your success. My name remains Mayowa. Have a pleasant week ahead. Talk to you guys soon. Bye for now.